Oh yeah, my people, come closer. You know fufu though. Today we are giving the traditional swallow a major wellness glow up. Hey, we are talking Togolese ham mixed with a little Nigeria and Ghana ginger. No heavy starch. Come here, my people. Just pure clean energy. Hey, if you want your gut to dance and your head to grow, hey, you need this one now. Hey, come and see. This one right here. Oh, not talk. Hey, just what? Look this right here, what you see. Look that texture, my people. Look the texture. We are blending oats and green plantain. Just look how smooth. Some people are out there struggling. No, we don't smoke here. And just what? You want to see how we mix this thing up. We are the gatekeeper or the smooth swallow. As the sham will tell people, you got to tell me, listen, you have to be present when you mix this thing up. This one right here, the ritual of stirring is like a workout. Oh, I'm telling you, you're gonna work it. It's a workout for your arm and your blessing, for your plate. Oh yes, Lord. You see me right now? I am make sure that this thing is very, very, very just what it is smooth enough. And listen now the signs about this one. I'm not just picking up the recipe because I want to bet. We're using a green plantain for that resistant starch. Your gut bacteria will like, it will celebrating your days. A happy gut means just one less blow. And the oats, they are packed with silica and mineral. I always tell my queen that this family and my live well today that listen, if you want that crown to be thick and strong, you have to feed the follicles. Oh yeah, you hear me very well from the inside out. Hey, this hair food in the bowl. Hey, my sister, you have to try this one. You're talking about oat and plantain. Look at that shine. And just what? Pay this one to now shape. This is my favorite one right here with a light soup. You will see my soup right now. Me, I make my queen. This one right here with panoto. I cook my panot soup. Hey, no more eating after lunch. Just restoration. If you are ready to stop the blow and start the crown, drop the bowl in the comment. Tag a sister who need this one. Upgrade your swallow, my people. Eat well, live well, and let your head thank you later. I'm telling you, this soup right here. Now go try this one. You have to try. This soup right here is go all the way. Come all the way from Togo, Nigeria, Togolese, everything you call it. Guess what? Ghana people don't have nothing on this one. Ladies and my people, this one right here is panoto. Hey, mixed with what? You guys now remember this lid now is sour. Hey, that lid now you put on this one and you see my meat. This is goat. This is goat right here. Hey, now I'm drilling already thinking about this one. My people, this one very simple. You can make, if you want to know how I make this soup, hey, go to the next video, my people, and check it out. Step by step, how I make this soup. Delicious.